Welcome to my channel, the Tadka Project. Today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy and delicious tomato sesame chutney. The addition of sesame makes this a great replacement for hummus. It's almost like a tangier and spicier version of hummus. So let's get cooking. For the chutney, here I have 1 large tomato. You can use 2 medium-sized tomatoes instead. 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Half a teaspoon of dried Kashmiri red chili powder. You can substitute this with paprika. And 1 large dried Kashmiri red chili. The only prep that we need to do for this chutney is to roughly chop our tomato. We don't need this to be precise in any way because it's going to get blended into a chutney. To start, here I have a pan on medium-high heat. Once the pan is hot, I'm going to add a teaspoon of sunflower oil. You can use any flavorless oil of your choice. To this, I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds and roast this till it turns to a nice golden brown color. This should take around 3 to 4 minutes on medium-high heat. As you can see, the sesame seeds have a nice golden brown color to them. So at this point, I'm going to add in the dried Kashmiri red chili that I'm going to break into 2 to release its flavors. The red chili helps to balance out the sweetness from the tomato, and it makes a great addition to this chutney. We only need to cook the chili for around 10 to 20 seconds till it gets all toasty. After which, I'm going to add in the chopped tomatoes. Once I've added in the tomatoes, I'm just going to cook this till it breaks down and gets mushy. This should take around 3 to 4 minutes on medium-high heat as well. I'm going to add in a splash of water to help with the cooking process. As you can see, the tomatoes have gotten really mushy. So at this point, I'm going to add in the Kashmiri chili powder. And I'm also going to salt to taste. Mix all of this really well and cook for 2 more minutes. After which, I'm going to set this pan aside so the mixture cools down before we blend it. I let my tomato mixture cool down for around 5 to 6 minutes. So I'm going to transfer all of the contents to my blender jar here and blend till smooth. The chutney has a really velvety and smooth consistency, as you can see, and it also smells so good because of the roasted sesame seeds. Because this chutney works as a great substitute for hummus, you can use it in your wraps, as a spread for rice cakes, or more traditionally as a dipping sauce for pakoras, budgies, or samosas. This recipe makes 1 cup of the tomato sesame chutney. And you can store it in the fridge in a glass airtight container for up to 3 to 4 days. If you do end up making this chutney, please let me know how it went in the comments below. And also let me know what you ended up pairing it with. And please like and subscribe because I come out with new videos every Sunday. And I'll see you next time with another recipe. Bye!